This is Qwen chat and it has so many capabilities that you might want to start cancelling your ChatGPT subscription. Today we are going to cover Qwen chat because it got a very new upgrade that has image generation, video generation and web search, which are major milestones. It's completely free to use. You log in with your Google account, and also if you go into my channel you can find the previous video that I made about this. Let's do a very quick overview of what is going on with image generation, video generation, web search. Let's check out the platform a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and I will tell it to generate me an image. Okay, so I'm going to give it a very silly prompt. I don't want anything super polished. I'm just going to give it the bare minimum, say generate an image of a guy in business clothes. It's not even perfect English. So let's see what the result will be. Image generated, very nice. I have no problem with it at all. So I ask the LLM to make the suit black and the tie red. So it's hopefully going to change these colorings in the image, and let's see what the result is. Super nice. I wanted to change the appearance of the guy a little bit because we want to convey a specific message. We want it to be masculine and look in front of the camera. That's a little better, but for some reason the image is a little blurred. For some reason it's blurred. I don't know why. This is a very strange result in all honesty. Hopefully the next image that it's going to generate is going to be more crisp. And yeah, this is exactly what we want. A masculine guy with a black suit and a red tie. So this is a pretty nice result. Not super high quality, but again, it's free to use, so why not? Click on this button to open a new chat. I'm not going to use video generator because it takes so much time, but let me show you what I generated yesterday. So I generated this video of a dragon flying on top of soldiers. So again, this is not super realistic. This is like from an anime or a cartoon, but still it generated this 5-second clip. It's free. It's like the first version that they put out. We also got another video which is a lantern selfie and it has this prompt. So also this video is nice, I've gotta say. It's looking okay. It's not like top quality image and video generation, but it's free, and for simple things or more cartoonish things, it may do exactly what you wanted. Again, you can see here that the script is very specific and it actually follows the prompt. So I would say that this is a good first release from the team of Qwen. So let's go back, open a new chat, open up web search, and let me type something very specific. Okay, so let me tell you about the script. About the prompt. So I have a website which you can find down below in the description where I implement very simple utilities for people like coders, crypto people, and other people as well that use videos, images, audios. So I'm trying to create very simple utilities that someone can get into my website and use them for free without me having a huge cost. I'm using LLMs on all of my videos to generate ideas and to implement all of these things very cheaply and very fast into the website. So if you want to support the website, or if you find ideas in this video useful and you want to use these tools, you will probably find in the next couple of weeks a lot of things there, so click the link down below to support the channel. I asked it to generate productivity applications that I can implement using only front-end web development. So we have the code formatter extension. So this is a web-based tool that formats code snippets according to specified styles. Nice. This is very interesting. This is very useful actually. Task management dashboard, a very simple task manager dashboard. That's also super nice. Responsive design inspector, that's interesting, and it tells us why and where it is exactly inspired and what it does. Okay, documentation generator, this is nice. Okay, input markdown files or plain text and your app converts them. Okay, that's nice. And we have performance analyzer. Okay, this is also nice. All right, so I'm going to get started with a code formatter. Implement a simple code formatter, Next.js 14, TypeScript and Tailwind So let's build this simple code for Matter. I'm going to get actually all of this, open a new chat. I will open up over here the Qwen coder, click artifacts. Okay, so we want okay, what's going on? Delete button. Okay, so click artifacts so you get a preview. Let's see what happens. All right, so we tell it to implement a simple code for Matter in Next.js. This is the front-end JavaScript that we use, TypeScript and Tailwind CSS. And lately this Qwen coder is not working as well as I want it to work, especially on this chat. They have fucked up something. I'm completely sure about it. Again, this is a very new infrastructure, it's 10 days old, so they've got to fix a lot of things. But I will give them the benefit of a doubt, and I think that in the future they are going to improve it even more. You can see, for example, that the generation is super slow, so that means that they don't have their big machines. They may do optimizations on the background, they may have loads of stress. So I firmly expect that the whole quality of this chat is going to improve in the future. Again, don't forget that it is free for everyone. So this is very important. You have to keep in mind that this is free for us to use. So we should be a little bit more flexible with them doing mistakes and all of these things because they give this for free to us. So we also have the artifacts loaded on the right hand side. So we wait for the result. So it is def I am coding. Okay, so let's format this code. Prism is not defined. This is a bug that Qwen coder over here has. For some reason, it's not allowing some packages to get installed. Fix the error. Okay, so I'm going to give this one more try. It may work, it may not work. I'm actually not using this version of Qwen coder to code. I actually use Llama coder. Go watch my previous videos. This is a very good coding tool. So yeah, specify the error, let the LLM try and fix it. If it does, very well. If it doesn't, it's fine. I firmly expect that it's not able to access the internet during the artifacts side of things. So that's why I think there is a mistake. This is they're trying to solve some kind of vulnerability. So that's what I expect. This code may work if you use it in a different place, but because it's an external dependency, this artifact thing does not allow you to preview. In all honesty, I really like it. I think it's a step in the right direction because we want more open source free tools that we can use. This is super important for AI companies. It's super important to get this kind of AI companies because those models become very, very strong, very, very powerful, and we need to have backups, especially for people in Asia, Africa that don't have the money to pay, or even Eastern Europe. It's very good that they can have a free alternative and try to compete with more rich people. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you like this video. Bye.